Hello and welcome to this tutorial video covering Shopfloor options. The first item that we're going to take a look at is company-wide settings and defaults. You can access it by clicking company on the side navigation. We have an option here to select a default shop location for newly created jobs. I have a shop created already, so I'll select that. To show you this option working, I'll create a new job. And you'll see that the shop location is already filled out for me. Next, we'll take a look at the personal preferences in the top right of the screen. Here you'll see an option to have Shopfloor remember select form pop-up filters and columns. I'll check that and then save. And then I'll create a PQR to show you this working. Now I'll scroll down to the base metal section and I'll search using the filter for SA-516 and I'll select grade 70, and then I'll search for base metal 2 and you notice that the filter I used was previously saved and the table is the same layout. From there, we'll click Company on the side navigation, File Browser. The File Browser allows you to save and organize files within designated directories. We'll create a new directory. Clicking on that directory, we can add files to it. Next, I'll show you the recycle bin. First, I'll delete the job that we created previously. Then I'll go Company, Recycle Bin. When you delete records, they are not permanently deleted until you open the recycle bin, check the record, and then click Delete Records. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos in this series for more information.